I thought that this thing was totally dead last stream. I'll probably put the stream right here. So go watch it after you watch this video. What happened was I didn't have the antenna hooked up, so I couldn't hear anything, obviously. Now, I am in a metal building, and so it's basically a Faraday cage, but I did notice that when I turn the power on, see the little pilot light is lighting up right there. So we're going to let it warm up. And I do see right here, I do see a filament right there. And wow, that just got real bright, didn't it? So I guess everything's coming up. Yeah, this filament here is starting to glow also. But anyway, here's the deal. You can barely hear it. I can tune it. I can hear some form of modulation. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you for now. On the next Retro Friday, we're going to see if we can't amplify this even more. Thank you for watching.